Hi everybody, my name is Brian Kwong, and this video is about how to learn any language in 3 months. And you can watch me implement this blueprint doing my Learn German in 3 months challenge. So why learn a new language? Maybe you want to travel the world or move to a new country, or maybe you want to get lucky with the opposite sex who speaks a different language. Ik liebe dich, Julia. Boozen, smoozen, beat it. Learning a new language will open a whole new world for us. And there are many ways to learn a new language, but here's the best way to learn a language in 3 months that I found. And I've broken down to 3 simple parts: the overall strategy, the game plan, and the resources that you need to make this happen. You ready? Let's go. Part 1, the overall strategy. We gotta use the right resources to do 2 things every day. 1 is learn and memorize phrases and words. 2 is practice speaking the language with native speakers. Simple enough, right? Now, using the right resource will make it a lot easier, and that's the key. We'll cover that in a minute. Part 2, the game plan. Now, milestone number 1, the first thing we gotta do is practice speaking the language with a private tutor or native speaker who's willing to spend time and break down the language with you. Now, having one-on-one tutor is much better than learning in a class, because it is very easy to be lazy and not be an active learner. The second thing we gotta do is learn and memorize 30 phrases and vocab per day by using your memorization software. Why 30? Because by the end of the 90 days, we'll have 3,000 words under our belt, which means we'll know approximately 80% of the most common words used in a language. That's why we're shooting for 30 per day. And the last thing is, we add phrases and words that we want to learn into our memorization software. Milestone number 2, this is when we can have basic conversations with people, so we gotta expose ourselves to the new language as much as possible. So we gotta go out there and find new language partners. And we're gonna start to build the habit of thinking the new language. That's milestone number 2. Milestone number 3, this is when we go, yeah, I think I'm getting this. So we gotta go find new language partners, meet new friends who can speak the language, and we can start watching TV, DVD, and listening to the radio. It's okay if we don't understand in the beginning, because it's harder to understand a movie compared to when we're having a conversation. And that's the game plan. The resource is really what makes this whole thing click, and it will save you plenty of time and make it a whole lot easier while you're implementing this. And we need 4 essential tools. The first one is a grammar book. Use the Dover Essential Grammar Series. It's easy and simple to use, and it's only $6 on Amazon. Number 2 is a phrase book. This is where we get the phrases in the beginning, where we can enter it into our memorization software. Any phrase book will work. You can try the Lonely Planet. And number 3, we need an online dictionary. And number 4 is the memorization software. Let's face it, memorizing things, it's a pain in the butt. But it's 50% of the game, and it'll help us get what we learn into a long-term memory. So having the most effective and easy to use memorization software is the key to this whole thing. If you have a PC, you can try Anki. If you have a Mac, you can try Genius. I tried it. It works like a charm for memorizing, and is really why I can see myself doing this challenge only after using this software. And I love it so much, I'm even developing an app called Genius Plus for iPad and iPhone. And that's all the tools that we need. Finally, let's talk about how to find private tutor and language partners, because that's the other 50% of the game. Now, for private tutor, you can try Craigslist to see how much it costs in your area. And if you have a tight budget, you can try @fire.com, but remember, avoid the group class. And for language partners, you can try Mixer. It's a site that allows you to connect with language partners all over the world via Skype. You can also try Couchsurfing and themeetup.com. So now that's the blueprint of how to learn any language in 3 months. All we gotta do is to make it happen. The cool thing is you can follow along while I'm doing my challenge. So if you like this video, like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to beta test Genius Plus when it's ready for the public, you can sign up for free with the link below this video. Lastly, I want to hear from you. What language do you want to learn and why? And if you're thinking about taking on this challenge, also let me know in the comment area. Thanks for watching, I'll see you soon.
Sorry.
You're hitting me too fast. We're supposed to slowly turn my face like that. You're pissed off.
It's morning time. I'm sorry.
Why don't you really slap me hard this time?
Okay.
Ow! Ow! Oh. Dankeschön!
Oh, bitte, mein Schatz.